למה זה בדרך. אני הולך עם ראש למעלה, כל אחד הוא בן או בת של מלך. ככה היה וככה זה גם הלאה, יהודי עם נשמה בוערת. בכל מקום ובכל ארץ לא רוצה שיהיה אחרת. יהודי אני זה משהו נצחי. בני אברהם, יצחק ויעקב, בני שרה רבקה רחל ולאה. בני אברהם, יצחק ויעקב, בני שרה רבקה רחל ולאה. עברי אנוכי ויעש השם אלוקי השמיים אני יורד. 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 A little bit of history I've been through. Ask me where I'm from, and I will tell you I'm a Jew, and every Jew's a proud Jew. Not just me, my sisters and my brothers. Never be ashamed to be a proud Jew. It's not what you've done, it's how He made you. So sing the song and spread the pride around you. Yehudi ani, eternally. Hey Abraham, Yitzchak v'Yaakov, b'nei Sarah Rivka Rachel v'Leah. Hey Abraham, Yitzchak v'Yaakov, b'nei Sarah Rivka Rachel v'Leah. יש צבא גדול שלוחם מכל הלב ונותן את הכל, לא חושב מה יהיה ומוסר את הלב. אחד בשביל כולם, כולם בשביל אחד, רצים קדימה. ישנו עם קטן מפוזר בכל קצוות תבל, יום יבוא קרוב מאוד ואז הוא יתגאה. רק מי ומי, מי ומי, מי ומי ומי יגיע.
My name is Nava Buku. I'm in 5th grade and I'm 10 years old. Everybody in my class is always nice to me. We're all friends and there's never been bullying. Our teachers are amazing. I feel like I can talk to them and tell them my worries and they understand and they give us the right amount of work, not too little, not too much. They don't scream. They have the class under control. I really like this school.
My name is Naomi Rodriguez and I'm in 5th grade. I like the TJA because we have good teachers that help you grow in every subject. We don't have bullying, we always have friends that are nice and kind and that always help you in any way. If you're feeling sad and mad, good, they're always here to help you and teach us to help you grow.
Hello, my name is Chaim and I like TJA because all the students are in unity and all the amazing activities we have. Monday and Wednesday are PE, we have art for other classes. Yeah, that's why I like the TJA.
Hi, my name is Liam Mansour and I'm new to TJA and I've grown so much from the beginning of the year and I am with the most amazing teachers ever. I've grown so much from them and I've learned so much from them, to keeping Shabbat and learning about social studies and math and science and stuff that I didn't know before. And I'm so grateful that I have a great environment and good influence next to me.